As a team of scientists explores Area X, or the Shimmer, bordered environmental anomaly at the center of the film, they begin to encounter weird life forms with mutated genomes, like a crocodile with shark teeth. Among the creatures are topiary-like plant structures shaped like human bodies, which indicates as a human Hox genes. Hox genes are an actual family of genes that influence the body forms of animals, whether humans or worms. The border around Area X, says Rodek, is a prism, but it refracts everything, including the genetic information of the entities trapped within the swamp, causing plants to take on human-like qualities. Hox genes are a family of genes that specify whether segments of an embryo develop into a part of a head, thorax, or abdomen. They also specify where on the body that segment will grow and establish its position on the organism's anterior-posterior axis, that is, its organization from head to toe. However, nature here represented as something powerful that can fight human back. Things can change inside the area, including the DNA of human, plants, or animal. Simply by stepping inside, the crew members have allowed themselves to be changed. This process has been a death sentence for all who have entered Area X, save for Kane and, as we know from flash-forwards, Lena. The Shimmer is interacting with the entities inside it, crafting organisms both beautiful and horrible. While, in the context of the film, it's a frightening obstacle, that is the nature of mutation. In this movie, the human characters are depicted as seeing nature as it is. Nature is beautiful yet dangerous in some ways, and it is such a natural reaction for the human beings to against or defeat something that is considered as unusual and dangerous for them. This perception more or less is related to the British perspective towards nature, which is seeing nature, especially the wilderness, as something that must be defeated in order to gain an ultimate control over nature, because according to them nature is only exists with the purpose as being useful for the life of human beings. The human characters of this movie are afraid of the mutations caused by the Shimmer because they are worried these phenomena will change the constructed hierarchy of the human-nature relationship that privilege the human's position over the nature. Here, the only thing that must be defeated and considered as their enemy is the Shimmer itself, not the nature, since in this movie they only attack the creature created by the Shimmer and also the infected animals that want to kill their group members. While doing the observation regarding to this phenomenon, they are also vividly aware that it is possible for an unusual phenomenon such as mutation occurs in the nature if there is something that can stimulate it, which in this movie it is caused by the Shimmer. The mutation occurs in the nature is not always resulted in a bad or terrible thing, but sometimes it could be a good or beautiful thing. Therefore, in this movie, we can conclude that the human-nature relationship is depicted as the human-nature relationship in the real life. Human sees nature as something that is beautiful yet dangerous in some ways. They want to have an ultimate power to control over the nature, but still they consider that it is a natural thing when there is a changing such as mutation that occurs in the nature.